two APs have same common difference. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? This is the question. Okay. So that means how it looks. See, for example, one example if I take, one thing it starts from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it goes on like this. Okay. Listen this. Another one, think it is 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 like this. Okay. Here, the common difference for both is 2 only. Correct? 4 minus 2, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Correct? So, if you observe here, in the first term of two APs, difference is what? 6. Here also it will be same 6. So, every term in the 2 AP, the difference will be 6 only. Correct? Because their common difference is same. In the first term, what will be the difference between the 2 AP? In all the terms, it will be same only. So, in the question 12th one, 2 APs have same common difference. And difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? This is the question they have given. Okay. So, since difference between here, 100th term of the 2 APs, okay, is how much they have given? 100, no? 100. Then what will be the difference when it is 1000th term? How much will be the difference? 100 only. Because 2 APs, they have same common difference. Any place if you take, it should have the same. So between 100 terms, it is 100. Between the 1000 term also, it should be 100 only. No, see this example like that. Understood? So answer is 100. Write down this example and write down. Since they have same common difference. Since they have same common difference, difference in their 1000th terms is also 100. Okay, right now. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Next question, 13. So 3-digit number starts from 100. 100 is it divisible by 7? No. So which number? 105. So 105, its AP starts from 105. Then the last number is 999. Is it divisible by 7? 990? Correct. So AP will be between 105 to 994. Okay. Understood or not? Now it should be divisible by 7. So how many numbers? That is, the last number is A. A is equal to 105. D is equal to 7 here. AN is equal to 994. So find N. So these type of question they ask. So 3-digit number starts from 100. So but divisible is 105. So AP starts from 105. Next will be plus 7 number. So until 994 is the last number which is divisible by 7. So that is the do that. For what value of n are the n terms of AP equal? See, there are 2 AP. Listen here. 2 APs here, 63, 65, 67, and it goes on. Second AP is 3, 10, 17, and it goes on like this. Okay. So there are 2 APs. One is 63, 65, 67, and it goes on 3, 10, 17, and it is like that. Somewhere one value will be equal here. Okay, what is telling? 2 have for what value of n are the nth terms of 2AP equal? That means, think, for example, it may be 20th term of both can be equal, something like that. Okay. So for one n term, both will be equal. So what is that n term he is asking? Understood the question? Okay. So maybe 20th may be equal, 22nd may be equal, like that. So what is that n he is asking? Okay. Huh. So now, 63 here, in the first AP, A is equal to 63. D is equal to 65 minus 63, it is 2. Okay. And N, we don't know, for some term, it is equal, that you have to calculate. Then next one, here I will take A1, D1 like this. A2 here, 3. And in the second AP, the common difference is 10 minus 3, it is 7. Okay, so for some term, nth term, both are equal, you have to find that. So that means what? An is same for both here. Value is same for both. Okay. In the first AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An, I don't know, that I will keep it as An. That is equal to A is 63 plus n also I don't know here into 2. Okay, this is the first equation what I will take. And the second one also, An is same value, that only you should calculate, and that is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7, second equation. These two should be equal, right? Because An is same for both. Value is same for both. That nth term you should find. So here, 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 should be equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Now calculate. Okay. 1 minute, wait. I'm doing this problem. This is something different. Okay. Now, equate and find here. 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. We'll get 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. So 2n you shift here, minus 4 here. 7n minus 2n is 5n. So that is equal to 65. So n is equal to 13 you will get. So 13, the term of both will be equal. Determine AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Third term is 16. So A3 it is equal to 16. Next what he has told, seventh term A7 it exceeds the fifth term by 12. So A5 plus 12. A7 is A5 plus 12. A3 is 16. Okay. And now find what is telling. Determine the AP. That means A and D you should calculate. He is telling seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. That means A5 plus 12. What is A3? A plus 2D is equal to 16. A7 means A plus 6D. That is equal to A plus 4D plus 12. Okay. Shift A here. Here only directly will get D. A and A can cancel. 6D minus 4D is 2D. That is 12. D is 6. Now substitute and find A. So 17th one, what is the question? We have 3, 8, 13 and it goes until 253. Okay. So find the 20th term from the last term. So from last it should be 20th. So what we will do? We will reverse the AP itself. That means we'll start from the 253. 13, 8, 3. Okay. So here from the 253, 13, 8, 3 it goes on like this. Okay. So here from this side it is 20th term only, no? Because we have reversed the AP now. Understood? So now A is equal to 253. Now the 20th term from here means N is equal to 20 and D is equal to 8 minus 13. So D is equal to minus 5 here. Okay. So find AN. Now calculate. See, from the starting, see, from the end you have to calculate means again you have to. So what we will do, we will then reverse the AP itself and you will get the from the last what is last side. Minus 5 because it is 8 minus 13. No, no. The AP itself we have reversed. No. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.